Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information as always. Yes, so what's today's video about? In today's video we'll be talking about websites where you could start your transcriptioning career. I've received tons of emails of people asking me about websites that I know that they could work as transcriptionists, freelancing. And one thing about this website is you work from the comfort of your home, and they get people to work for them internationally. Like, you don't have to be in Canada, you don't have to be in the US. Website. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you really want to know about? Then sit down and let's go right into the video. And this video would be in two parts. This first part I'll be talking about the website, and the second part I'll be giving tips on what to do or what you should know before you begin your transcriptioning career. I'm sure that's something you really want to listen to. All right, let's go right into the video. And they pay by PayPal. You just have to exhibit a high level of the language you want to transcribe. You do not need any experience for you to start on this website. No experience at all. And the payment is easy. And this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel, where I get to talk about business tips that you can start, how you can grow and improve your business. And of course, I'm passionate about monetizing your skills, and I do product review. I get to talk about product services platform that has helped me so far in building my business as well. If this sounds interesting to you and you've not subscribed, oh my god, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for the encouragement. All right, so let's go into this video. So the first website I'll be mentioning in today's video is Transcribe Me. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy. So let's see, join our team. Let's see the requirements. All right, so you need to create an account for you to join. And in Transcribe Me, they tell you what you need to do. That's the application requirements. You get to read this, the equipment that you need, and of course the entrance examination. Like, you'll be tested, your level of English will be tested, or whatever language that you want to transcribe for, that will be tested. These are things you need to check. Okay, so let's go to the next website. So the second website I'll be talking about is Crowdsource. They have international. If you're not in USA or Canada, you can get started on Crowdsource as well. It's not just limited to Canada or USA. The most important thing is that you have a PayPal account that you will get paid, and you can just apply. In this video is Verbal Link. At Verbal Link as well, you could get transcriptionists and translators with jobs. So you see, transcriptionists and translators wanted, but because this video is dedicated to transcriptionists, I would only be talking about the transcriptionist aspect of the job offer. So it says we're always looking for highly skilled linguists to add to our growing team. If you're interested in working for Verbal Link as an English language transcriptionist, please email us. So the email address is there. Let's go to the next one. So the next website I'll be talking about in this video is BabbleType, market research transcriptionist. So let's see what they require in this website. Join BabbleType team. And they've not say they need a particular country, so they hire internationally as well. The transcripts we produce are mission critical parts of market research projects. They're mainly into market research. Some of them are into medical, some of them are into legal transcription, but this is a market research transcription website. Wow. My special feature in today's video is none other but Blue Jeans Network. Yes, Blue Jeans Network. This is a special shout out for you, my brother. So you need to go to Blue Jeans Network. Can you see the graphics? Like, oh my god. And please join his membership. I know I've not joined. Yeah, we're working on that. So Blue Jeans Network talks about, please do well to go to his channel, and everything good, just get connected to him. Okay, all right. So another the next website is Verbit as well as Hebrew's transcription is needed, Arabic transcription is needed. You can if you understand Arabic, if you understand Hebrew, then this is a website you need to visit and become a transcriber today. We are an hour-based transcription company that combines technology with human editing. We are looking for freelancers that have excellent language skills and great attention to detail to join our team. So below is a brief description I want to go to. Alright, so the next website I'll be talking about is Transcription Hub. Let's see what their transcription requirement is. Let's go down the page. Alright, so transcription jobs, just come to the website and go to transcription jobs and you see what they have to offer or how to go about their registration. So it says calling or remote or work from home transcriber. Transcription Hub invites transcribers and editors to join their remote freelance transcription team. So they state there are 4 steps to getting on their team, their evaluation process and all of that. So this is something you want to look at. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so the next website we'll be talking about is Dictate Express. You could work as a freelancer, work as an independent contractor. That's what you can do. Let's get to their careers for you to see what they have available or what they are looking for. In working with Dictate Express, here are the highlights of working with us. Independent contractor status only, prompt semi-monthly invoice payment through direct deposit, then choose when you work. So it's flexible, minimum production requirement of 45 minutes per day. You see, so you don't have to be on their website for a very long time. You could get into 3, 4 or 5 of these websites and you choose your hours. Alright, so this is the testing process that you need to go through, and these are 4 tests. They check your spelling, they check your comma use, that's your punctuation, then the confusing words. You know, sometimes there are some words that some say, oh, it's American English, it's British English, so they test this thing as well, like the way you construct your spelling. You know, there's some grammar that we say it's American, it's British, so they check these confusing words as well. Like if you want to spell words like agreement and you don't know, is it a double E? If you want to spell advice, is it with a C, is it with a S? Do you understand? These are things they look out for. And a 4-minute audio transcription test. These tests are open book. They are open book tests, so you don't have to fret, you don't have to be afraid. All you need is just time and know where to get the answers. Okay, then there's a spelling quiz. That's part of the test requirements. So it says spelling quiz passing score is 100%. The quiz tests your knowledge of 25 commonly misspelled words. This is an open book test, and with all the resources at your fingertips, you must achieve 100% accuracy to continue testing. Remember to read each questions carefully. So you have the test hint as well. I know I sound like it's easy, but then when you're in a test mode, I know it's not as easy as I'm making it seem. Okay, I do understand that. The words judgment and acknowledgement have an additional E before the suffix meant. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? The British English spelling always use the preferred American English spelling, so they want an American English way of writing. So this is something you want to see. Dictate Express. It seems so interesting as I read through this. All right, and their website, like Upwork as well. You can get transcription job at Upwork, but you know Upwork is it's always a competition, but you can try it. It's another website that you can try. So the last website I'll be talking about in this video is rev.com. Rev.com is also a website that offers job internationally, but right now it's filled up, like they don't have any job, so it's just like an extra thing, but you can submit your application. There's nothing stopping you from applying. So you see, become a freelancer with rev.com. Start the sign up process. It takes less than an hour. Yeah, I can tell you it takes less than an hour with Rev. I've done this application before and it's fast, but it's fast when you're doing the test. I think then their result comes in about 24 hours to 48 hours after you've taken the test. So it's something that you want to drop your application so that when they have openings, or when they are taking transcribers, they can always reach out to you. All right, so rev.com is the last website that we've talked about in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video today. If you watched this video to this very end and you've not subscribed, what then are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I have new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. All my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And I would leave link to other websites where you could start your freelancing job somewhere in this video as well. So until I come again in the next one, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.